So let's go ahead and factor out the greatest common factor, because it seems like there is a great common factor here, which is y. So when we do that, we have 10y squared plus y minus 21 equals 0. I'm going to use the AC method. So a times c is 10 times negative 21. Okay, so that's negative 210. And the factor of those two, when you add them together, has to equal plus 1y. Or plus 1. Sorry, plus 1. So we can start at negative 1 and 210, but then you get like negative 209. It's too big. I'm going to try to split that right down the middle. So I'm going to start at 210 and then 10. I mean 10, negative 10 and 21. When you add those two together, you get 11. Still too big. So let's try maybe 210 divided by 11. Does not work. 210 divided by 12. Nope. 210 divided by 3. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I meant 210 divided by, 13. Okay, 210 divided by 14. Nope. 14 and 15. Yeah, negative 14 and 15. There you go. That's positive 1. We found our factor. Okay, so we have y and then 10y squared plus y minus 21 equals 0. I'm going to split that factor up as negative 14y plus 15y. So we have y and then 10y squared minus 14y plus 15y minus 21 equals 0. Let's go ahead and group the two. And then let's think about what we have to factor out. So we know we have to factor out a y. We have a 2y. And by the way, Michael Kasman showed me this. And thank you. He puts whatever he's factoring out underneath it, so you remember to divide by it. And then here we have 3. Okay, so we have y, and then when I factor out a 2y from these two binomials, I get a 5y minus 7. And then when I factor out a 3, I get a 5y minus 3. Okay, now let's make some room. So I have a 5y minus 7 in common. So I have y times, I'm going to go ahead and factor that out. When I do that, I have a 2y plus 3 in common. So these are my binomials that make up that trinomial. Okay, so I'm going to split it 3 because I have 3 y's. So y equals 0, 5y minus 7 equals 0, and then 2y plus 3 equals 0. So I end up with y equals 0, y equals 7 over 5, and y equals negative 3/2. And those are my answers. Good job, guys.